Assalamualaikum. Welcome to International College of Technical Education. So today we will discuss about the importance of human resource management and other major factors in human resource management. So the first part is importance of human resource management. As you see the chart which is telling us about the importance of human resource management, there are some basic steps which we have to follow in their importance. So as we can see, the first one is formulation of HR policies, implementation of HR policies, review of employee needs, development, utilization, development of labor management, overall development. So basically the major impact and the factor in this importance is the development of the employees within the organization. As you can see, here is the short definition of the importance of human resource management. Human resource management is important to all managers despite their various functions because of the following reasons. Hire the right person for the job, right person for the right job. Low attrition rate, ensure people do their best, time saved in not conducting useless interviews, avoid legal action for any discrimination, safety laws are not ignored, equity towards employee in relation to salary, etc. Effective training, avoid unfair labor practices. So here are some of the points which are telling us about the importance of human resource management, that why the HR department is necessary in an organization. On to the next point, there is HR, a good career. Why HR is a good career? So here are some of the points which are telling us about that human resource is a good career for a person to be hired in. The first point is stable career. The second is potential to earn higher salary. Next one is dynamic work environment, and the last and the least is work with people. So the first point is telling us about that when we are working as an HR professional, so we are having a very stable career. On to the next, there are higher salaries within the HR department. On to the next, there is very quiet professionalism work environment in the HR department. And at the end, it is telling us about working with people. As an HR professional, you deal with a lot of people, a lot of employees, and a lot of professionals. So as we can say that you can learn far beyond these practices. Now here comes the HR cycle, which starts with the basic human resource strategy, organizational design, job design, planning of human resource, culture, selection of the employees, onboarding of employees, appraisal of employees, training of employees, ठीक है. Career management is the basic part in HR cycle. It means that if you are dependent, that you have gone through your career management, you are effective in a way to move on to your career. So it is the basic and major part of HR cycle. Here is a least and last summary of HR cycle, which is telling us about that the HR cycle is the journey an employee goes through in the organization from the time they are hired to the day they leave their job. When you are working somewhere, when you start your job and when you leave the job, in between you learn so many things at that stage. Human resource managers play an important role in every stage that the employee goes through, and as such every stage presents its own challenges and opportunities. Now here are some core aspects which are telling us about the HR cycle, that is attraction, recruitment, selection, induction, orientation, onboarding, career planning and development, separation and termination phase. At first you attract to a job, you came for the interview, you have been selected, then your orientation process start. Okay, when you are on board, when you're hired, then you start planning your career, that how you have to move within the organization, within the department. And last, it comes the termination phase, when you are leaving the organization. So on to the next step, there are the goals of human resource management. That what is the basic goal of HRM within the organization? What factors are they planning to take to move their organization onto the top? So the first is attract, then it comes develop, and then it comes maintain. So it means that attraction means planning of the job, forecasting means future processes, and recruiting means selection. Then the developing process came, in which we follow up the training process, and then maintaining of the employees relations, salaries, and their terminations. So one of the primary goals of the HR department is to maintain productivity by providing the company with an adequate number of skilled and efficient workers. A good HR manager should continually analyze the workload and know where there are potential problems with manpower and when it's time for additional help. Basically, within an HR department, the basic role is played by the HR manager. If he or she is compatible and efficient in their work and skilled, so they have this potentialism to motivate other employees to work hard within the organization and within the department. Thank you for listening. If you have some major issues, you can ask, and hope to see you soon.